Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today's topic is tabbed browsing. I'd like to talk about how to use tabbed browsing in Google Chrome to enhance your web surfing experience. Basically, you're going to have Google Chrome on your computer. You're going to open it up, and if you notice at the upper left-hand corner of Google Chrome, if you have a tab open, which you should if you're seeing anything on it, you should see a little plus sign right here to the right of the open tab. And if you left click once on that plus sign, you can see where it's opened another tab. And all you have to do at this point is go to a different place that you want to go. Let's see what NASA's up to here. And then we'll click on NASA. And now you can see that if I click on the tab with my name on it, I'm seeing my website. And if I click on the tab that says NASA, I can see NASA's website. And if I click on this plus sign in the upper left-hand corner to the right of the NASA tab, then you can see yet another tab opens. And if I type in JPL, then I'm looking at the website for the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Here's NASA's website. Here's the JPL website. And I can go back and forth just by clicking on the various tabs at the top. I can go back and forth from one website to another. And I don't have to always back out of the website and type in the name of another website. I can just easily switch between websites. And that's what tab browsing is great for. Now, let's say that I want to see my website and the NASA website at the same time. What I can do is in the upper right hand corner of the screen where it's got the little box within a box, that's the restore button. I can click on that. Then I can left click on the NASA tab and hold the left mouse button down and drag it over to the side of the monitor there. And then I can left click on my tab in the original window. And as you can see right now, I can look at two different web pages at the same time, two different tabs at the same time. And I can search, within those as I want. Now, if I want, I can also drag that tab back in to the original window. And by left clicking on that tab and dragging it, I can change the order that it is. So right now, the NASA tab is first, and then me, and then the JPL tab. And if I want to bookmark any of these things, all I have to do is click on the tab I want to bookmark, and then you can see this little star right here in the upper right-hand corner. All I got to do is just left click on that once and say done. And as you can see, it's moved a bookmark of my website right here on the bookmarks bar. And the way you would activate the bookmarks bar is by clicking on these three dots, going down to settings. Then on the left, you're going to see where it says appearance. And then you're going to make sure that this little button right here is activated where it says show home button. That'll show you the home button. And the show bookmark bar, make sure that's activated as well. And then you'll see the home button and you'll see the bookmark bar right there with all your bookmarks on it. I hope everybody found this helpful today. If anybody needs any further instruction on this, I do come out to the home and help people fix their computers while they wait. If you live in Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. I've been doing this for 23 years, and I'd love to help you out. Please have a good day.